Peanut butter cookies are yummy and just a little bit chewy. I don't like anything that's got peanut butter and chocolate with it. If you're a Reese's fan, you could put some chocolate chips in these. Make your own Reese's cookies with a very small amount of sodium. In a fairly large bowl, beat together until it's nice and creamy 1 egg, 1 cube of unsalted butter, half a cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and half a cup of peanut butter with no sodium. My grocery store, Walmart, Sprouts Family Market, and Trader Joe's all carry peanut butter with no sodium. In the sifter is 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of Energy, E-N-E-R-G, baking soda substitute. Amazon or Healthy Heart Market. We're going to sift this into the egg and peanut butter and sugar mixture. Stir it up. Add 1/2 of a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix it all together. Drop this by spoonfuls on a cookie sheet that has parchment paper on it. And bake it at 325 degrees. Move all this stuff out of the way. So we got a cookie sheet. I just use a kind of a teaspoon and then flatten them down a little bit with your fingers. Kind of make a little ball with it. Flatten it down with your fingers. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there'll be a new low sodium recipe or a tip to help you keep that sodium low. Sometimes both. At 325 degrees, it took 15 minutes for the cookies to bake. My batch gave us 37 cookies. The whole batch of 37 cookies has only 70 milligrams of sodium. 1.9 milligrams per cookie. Cool them in your baking sheet for a couple of minutes and then transfer them to a wire rack. Because we're not adding any salt for preservative, keep them in the refrigerator or freeze them. Enjoy your cookies.